Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the HP 15DB laptop. In this video, we will walk you through essential maintenance steps to keep your device in top shape. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. Having these tools at hand will make the process smoother. Begin by powering off the laptop and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. Look for the battery release latch. This typically requires a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws securing it. Once the battery is removed, we can access the internals of the laptop. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws on the back cover. Be sure to keep these screws organized as you will need them to reassemble the laptop later. With the back cover off, you'll notice the internal components, including the cooling fan and heatsink. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, which negatively impacts performance. Using your can of compressed air, gently blow out any dust from the fan and heatsink. Make sure to hold the fan in place to prevent it from spinning while cleaning. If you encounter stubborn dust, a microfiber cloth can be used to wipe down surfaces carefully. Remember, gentle cleaning is key to avoid damaging any components. Before we proceed, if you feel uncomfortable performing these steps, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get your laptop checked without any commitment to repair costs. Next, let's check the RAM and hard drive for any issues. To access these, you may need to remove additional screws. Again, keep track of where each screw belongs. Once you have access to the RAM, ensure it's seated properly. If you're experiencing slow performance, you might want to consider upgrading your RAM. For the hard drive, inspect for any loose connections. If you're uncertain about handling these components, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. No calls, no travel, just simple and easy service. Once you've completed your cleaning and checks, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back cover onto the device, ensuring that all clips are aligned. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to prevent damaging the casing. After reassembly, reinsert the battery and plug in your laptop. Power it on and ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, remember that we provide a quote before any repair, allowing you to make informed decisions about your laptop's maintenance. In conclusion, regular maintenance for your HP 15DB laptop is crucial for its longevity and performance. By following these steps, you can keep your device running smoothly and avoid costly repairs in the future. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.